Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Med for All. In this video I'll teach you how to wear a surgical mask. Usually we don't practice the right way to wear a mask, and first I will show you the wrong way that we usually practice, and then I will show you the right way that how to wear a surgical mask. Now I will tell you what's the right way to wear a surgical mask. First of all, you have to decide about the side, that which side of the mask you should take on upside and which on the downside. You have to look at the strips that are shown here. This side you have to take on your face side, and this side outward side. You have to grip the mask from these points and wear like this. First of all, you have to fix this strip with your index fingers. And then you have to cover the chin. This was the way to wear a surgical mask. And now I will show you how to remove a mask. You don't have to touch from the front side as it is considered contaminated. You have to prick from here and remove. You have to wash your hands before and after wearing the mask. This was all about wearing a surgical mask. If you like the video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video.